Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for a cosmic showdown. I feel happy to share a review of the Ultraman Trigger multi-type today. Maybe it's bad, maybe it's good. I hope you like it. As always, my trusty, or should I say trustworthy AI assistant, Avery, is here to provide, something.
Commencing data analysis.
Come on, Avery. Listen up. This is Ultraman, not a spreadsheet.
Data analysis in progress. Ultraman Trigger is the titular Ultra hero of the series Ultraman Trigger, New Generation Tiger. He is an ancient Ultraman who once fought against darkness 30 million years ago and was revived in the modern era after his long slumber.
The Figure Rise Standard Ultraman Trigger Multi-Type is a non-scale kit released in November 2022. It is like a birthday present for any Ultraman fan. The price was 3,300 yen.
Standard market value for plastic component.
Avery, it's not just plastic, it's a piece of Ultraman history.
It's a historical artifact composed of plastic.
The user manual was interesting and easy to access because of the grayscale and color parts.
Basic instructions provided. 7 runners and 2 stickers present.
Let's bring this Ultraman to life.
Project initiated.
Well, this build is a breeze. It's fun and relaxing. Best for the people who don't want to spend too much time grinding.
Minimal user frustration reported.
Well, check this beauty. It's like looking at a real Ultraman.
Acceptable aesthetic appeal.
This kit is so colorful, I don't even know if I need to paint it.
Additional paint application optional. Components and accessory tools. 3 distinct hand types included. Dual timer configurations available. Circle arms. Ziperian beam effect. Weight of the model, 33 grams. Height measurement, 16 centimeters. Approximately the size of a common drink container.
The head movement was flexible. The waist was designed with 2 parts of joint to allow more flexibility. The shoulder was able to raise up to 90 degrees. Elbow was allowed to almost fully close. The thigh allowed for full articulation. The knee flexibility was quite great too. What do you think, Avery?
Joints within operational parameters.
The build was solid and reliable. You see, this is rock solid. Even an earthquake could knock it over.
Structural integrity maintained.
This kit is a blast to build. Would you recommend it, Avery?
Acceptable plastic model.
Come on, Avery. Don't be such a buzzkill.
Data analysis inconclusive.
So what do you think? Ladies and gentlemen, let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Viewer engagement encouraged.